I know I can be what I want to be. If I work at it, I can be what I want to be. Be boys and girls.
Hi, my name is Idil Osman. I am a research associate and a senior teaching fellow at SOAS's Development Studies Department. I didn't start out teaching. I started out as a journalist, beginning to work with the local media. So I started out at BBC Radio Leicester, and from there I progressed on to the national level. So I worked for The Guardian, and then I went international, working for the Voice of America based in DC. Well, working in the media industry in and of itself is a challenge. I think it's a very tough, competitive industry for anyone who wants to pursue a career in it. And then when you add to that mix being a woman, being of ethnic minority background, and being a Muslim, it makes it that bit more difficult, which means you've got to work harder in order for you to be on par with your peers. But I think it's really important, if you want to make a difference in any industry, to do it from the inside. It's much better when you're sitting at the table as someone who is visibly from that background and helping to shift that discourse and that narrative that can then change the mindsets of people that are making these decisions. I probably would identify my PhD as the biggest achievement and a sense of reward that I've completed something I had no clue about, but I ended up doing it and doing it successfully. That for me made me feel that I could do anything that I put my mind to.